Are you a landlord? Are you a landlady? And you've got a rental property. Every 5 years, the properties need to be electrically tested. An MOT on the house, an MOT on the flat. We've worked with many hundreds of private letting agents, private landlords over the last 5 to 10 years where these sort of tests need to be carried out. I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. I've got a team of electricians working locally in the area who carry out these tests weekly. We're thoroughly experienced. We've probably done around about 500 electrical tests on properties for people like yourselves in the last 4 to 5 years. Give us a call or an email and we can book in that appointment to get your electrical testing. The electrical testing sometimes comes up as EICR, Electrical Installation Condition Report. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.